To attract new customers and gain more business from existing customers, Forward Inc. needed to simplify and streamline business processes. All of their service offerings are presented through a single online storefront. Customers can select a service offering. Once selected, it is automatically fulfilled. When a customer needs some additional computing resources, they can browse or search through the CA Service catalog of offerings and can easily see a full description with associated payment plans and service quality levels. With just a click or two, the customer can choose the Gold plan and add it to a shopping cart, while entering any additional information required to complete the request. In this use case, the requested Gold service is for a virtualized computing resource. Forward Inc.'s Service Manager can use standardized service templates in the web-based Service Builder to easily build these services, creating standardized service offerings. This is as easy as copy, paste, and modify as needed. After the request for the Gold level service is submitted, automated workflow orchestration is engaged to provision this resource with minimal manual intervention. If required as part of the customer's policy, one or more management approval steps can be included. Forward Inc. utilizes standardized workflow processes to pass all the data needed to complete the request. The resource is provisioned on demand, the user is granted access, and notifications are sent to keep their customer informed every step of the way. By industrializing the self-service and fulfillment process, Forward Inc. can leverage economies of scale. Through standardized service offerings and service orchestration, Forward Inc. easily breaks through technology silos. This allows them to service more customers with less effort, provide faster response times with increased customer satisfaction, and greater cost savings through a reduction of manual effort. The lifeblood of Forward Inc.'s business is the revenue derived from its customer base. By meeting contractual obligations and providing an exceptional customer experience, Forward Inc. reduces customer churn and increases the likelihood of more business. Achieving this requires rapid response from IT operations prioritized by the impact to customers. The IT operations team for Forward Inc. has just received an alarm as a result of a primary WAN circuit failure. While Forward Inc. is still providing quality service to its clients and meeting stringent SLAs, the CA Service Assurance solution is indicating that reliance on a secondary circuit places Forward Inc. at a higher level of risk. Seconds later, the team receives a new alarm from another one of its managed network customers. In this case, CA Service Assurance Proactive Performance Monitoring detected a growing performance degradation issue. If not addressed, this incident would certainly lead to an SLA violation. While the circuit failure was important, it is unclear what impact this new alarm has on customer obligations. A service desk ticket is automatically opened and notifies the support center and contract manager. The contract manager leverages CA Obligor Guarantee to understand the business impact on services. The outage has placed the service at risk for the SLA, but it has not yet violated the agreement. Through integrated tools, an automatic notification was sent indicating that the root cause of the performance degradation was an overutilized virtual server. An additional web server would be required to handle the increase in traffic. Within minutes, a new instance is automatically provisioned. Soon after, CA Service Assurance was indicating that the application performance was back to normal. In the meanwhile, CA Service Assurance has provided more information about the earlier issue. In pushing out a new ACL to several edge routers, the Gold configuration standard for that class of routers was violated and causing the degradation. The network engineering team was notified and instructed to roll back the former configuration. Again, within minutes, full service was restored. CA Service Assurance was indicating that the risk previously detected was back to normal. By deploying CA Service Assurance solutions, Forward Inc. was able to quickly triage the root cause of a service failure or degradation before they impact the service level agreement, and support staff was able to prioritize their workload based on customer impact. At the same time, with CA Obligor Guarantee, Forward Inc. is able to understand the business implications of this outage from a contractual perspective, thus reducing customer churn and increasing the likelihood of more customer business. To attract new business, Forward Inc. created a number of pay-as-you-go service offerings tailored to large web retailers. To deliver these services, they need to be able to ramp up the infrastructure up or down to meet variable customer demand and be able to charge the client based on consumption. Through CA's virtualization and automation solutions, IT operations has expanded resource pools to automatically provision additional virtual servers for the web farm that supports customer websites and shopping basket applications. As customer demand for service increases, CA's virtual management solutions detect that an additional virtual web server needs to be provisioned. This condition automatically triggers workflow to provision a new server with the required web server configuration. Within minutes, the increased load is handled. The dynamic provisioning and deprovisioning of these additional resources is a critical function implemented through the discovery, configuration, and assurance capabilities of CA's virtual management solutions. Further, by integrating with CA's service accounting and billing systems, Forward Inc. automatically drives accurate billing based on individual customers' resource usage and is able to accrue charges as they occur. When the event is over and resources are deprovisioned, Forward Inc. customers' subscriptions are automatically updated and adjusted to reflect only those services that were actually in use. In short, by leveraging well-managed, automated virtual resource pools and integrating contract pricing and billing policies, Forward Inc. is on track to better serve their customers.